CNC thread cutting program. Okay, is the program is number is 1. The program number is 1. Is the N is the thread cutting operations. Okay, so first line one G28 U00 is the home position of the tooling. Okay, this is the home position of the tooling. Is home position of the tooling. M06T0101 is the change of tooling. Okay, is M06 tool changing. In this operation, if you are using tool number is 1 means using tool 1. Suppose in case the tool fourth tool is thread cutting operation tool means you want to change the number to 4144 T0404. G97 is the constant speed of spindle. Okay, rotation. It is the G97 is the constant speed of spindle rotation at the speed of 1000 rpm is constant. M0 is the spindles rotate in the clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise. G97 is the constant speed rotation of 1000 rpm. M0 is the coolant is on. Okay, this is the coolant is on. M08 is the coolant is on. So first N0 G0 is the rapid position of the tooling. The tool is moving in the fast way from one point to another point. So initially X22 Z2. Okay, from tool is moved from home position to the this particular position G20 X22 to 2 X22 comma 2 position. Okay, then thread cutting operations G76 is a thread cutting cycles. So G97 means thread cutting cycles. Okay, so P020060, so totally 6 numbers. Okay, totally 6 numbers. Okay, I want to split the two digit. Okay, totally 6 digit. So I want to split the 2 the first one 0002 means so number of passing. Okay, 00 first 2 digit means number of passing the cycle. Okay, so எத்தனை cycle அந்த thread நம்ம கட் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கிறது. Next 00 is a chambering angle. Okay, chambering for end cutting. Okay, at the end, chambering at the end. Okay, chambering angle. 60 is the thread angle. Okay, thread cutting angle. Okay, is the last 2 digit is thread cutting angle. Q200 is the minimum depth of cut. Okay, minimum depth of cut in terms of microns. Okay, the depth of cut in terms of microns, minimum depth of cut in the microns. Okay, so 200 means 0.2 mm. Okay, here 0.2 mm. R03, okay, is the depth of finishing cut. Okay, R03 the depth of finishing cut is the 0.3 mm. So next G76 also the threading cycle X18.1 is the minimum diameter. Okay, minor diameter. The length of the thread cutting. P is the pitch. Okay, pitch of the thread cut. Okay, pitch of the thread cut depth. Okay, is the thread cut depth. Okay, so Q is the here Q is the minimum depth of cut. Okay, is the minimum depth of cut. Okay, minimum depth of cut. Q is the minimum depth of cut. Here R08 means radial difference for tapered thread. Okay, radial difference of tapered thread. Okay, so tapered thread. Okay, radial difference of tapered thread is 0.8. Okay, suppose in straight thread. Okay, taper வேண்டாம் straight thread வேணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த R0 omit பண்ணலாம், எடுத்துடலாம். இல்லை taper thread வேணும் அப்படின்னா இதை R08 பண்ண taper thread. Okay, radial difference for tapered thread. Okay, suppose you want straight thread means omit the 0.8. is 1.5 the feed rate of. Okay, 1.5 the feed rate for revolution. Okay, feed rate. Okay, for revolutions. So you want to find the minor diameter of the thread. So major diameter is 20. Here major diameter is 20. Minor diameter is equal to major diameter minus 2 times of depth, thread depth. So major diameter is 20. 2 into thread depth is 0.095. So how to calculate the thread depth? Okay, thread depth is calculated by using the 0.613 into pitch. Okay, so 0.613, the pitch is 1.5. Okay, we are choose the pitch is 1.5, 1 or 2. So here is 1.5, so 0.915. So thread depth is, so depth, okay, this is the thread depth, okay. So P thread depth is the 0.9195 mm. So here 2 into 0.9115, so minimum diameter, okay, minor diameter is 18.161. So is the major diameter is 20, is the minor diameter, okay. Here is the minor diameter is 18.161, here is 20, okay. Outer diameter is 20, inner diameter is 18.161, okay. So this is a calculation of 18 minor diameter 18.161. Z is the distance of thread, so P is the thread depth, Q is the minimum depth of cut, R is a radial difference, okay. Tapered thread, okay, there is a tapered thread. So if you want a straight thread means omit the 0.81, so this is feed rate, okay. So then finally after, so automatically இந்த ப்ரோம் ஃபீட் பண்ணும்போது thread வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆயிரும் டிஸ்டன்ஸுக்கு. Then remove the tools, okay. Tool G00 rapid position of tooling, X22 Z2, so is a home position of the tooling, G28 U0 W0. So M0 is a coolant is off, coolant is off, M0 is a spindle is off, M30 is the end of the program, M30 is the end of the program, okay. Thank you.